Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, the home cook hero, back with a new easy recipe for y'all. Today I'm showing y'all how to make bacon cheddar jalapeno cornbread. Y'all, this stuff is so good. I got some brown sugar up in there. I got some buttermilk up in there and some melted butter up in there to keep it nice and moist. Y'all, this cornbread is delicious, and we just use store-bought cornbread mix. So y'all, it's not complicated at all, and I am just going to get right into the recipe, y'all. Alright, y'all, so for this right here, I am first starting off by chopping up 3 slices of bacon very thinly, and then I'm just gonna cook that on my cast iron skillet until it's nice and crispy. I didn't have a clip of that, I cannot find it, y'all, but if you want to see how I did it, you can check out my skillet asparagus with hollandaise sauce video. I'll link it above right now. So after that, y'all, I am using 2 packages, I guess, of Jiffy cornbread. I like Jiffy. You can use whatever you want. If you want to make it from scratch, hey, I mean, do your thing. This is home cook hero. This is not making everything from scratch hero. All right, I'm just saying. So I then added in some buttermilk. I didn't want to use just regular milk. I had some buttermilk I needed to use all up. Y'all seen my other videos. I needed to use up that buttermilk. And so yeah, I used buttermilk just per the instructions. And I also added in some melted butter. Now, it didn't call for melted butter, but I like to just add that to it because it makes it nice and moist. You can also add sour cream in there. A couple tablespoons of sour cream will be really good, actually. That's how my sister makes cornbread. She puts some sour cream in there along with the melted butter and stuff. And y'all, it is amazing. If you haven't tried it with that, definitely do so. But I didn't want to add too much extra fat to it. So y'all, I mix it up a little bit and added just a splash of half and half and a splash or a little bit more melted butter. Y'all can check the description box. I'll have all the measurements and ingredients and all of that kind of stuff down there. So rest assured, I have it for you. So yeah, just mixing it up a little bit more. And then y'all, I am going in with the brown sugar. Now, I added in brown sugar because I wanted it to be kind of a little slightly sweet, and I also wanted to kind of play on that bacon that we're going to add in there as well, y'all. So yeah, just take your time mixing it in. If they're like any big pieces, just kind of smash them up against the side of the bowl to get it all incorporated evenly. But if they're like some little clumps of brown sugar in there, then hey, I mean, that's a little surprise for you as you're eating it, I guess. So yeah, y'all, then after that, I am just going in with the extra sharp cheddar cheese. Well, it wasn't extra sharp, it was sharp cheddar cheese. And then I also added in the jalapeños, and this was just one jalapeno that I finely diced it up to my liking. You can dice it finer if you want to, y'all. And then after that, I just mix it all up again, added in the bacon. As you see right there, you can see like little bits and pieces of bacon. So it is in there, y'all. I'm not playing, it's in there. But yeah, one little tip is I didn't let the skillet, because this is the same skillet that I cooked the bacon in, and I didn't let the skillet kind of like cool down a little bit. So let the skillet cool down for maybe 30 minutes so the bottom of the cornbread doesn't cook faster or a lot faster than the rest of the cornbread. So then after that, I just chopped up some jalapenos, placed them on the top, y'all, just to let you know it's jalapenos in there, and also just for more spiciness, which is how I like it. But yeah, I put it in the oven, just cooked it per the instructions, and took it out, y'all. And here we go, slicing into it just so y'all can see. Now, back to what I said about the skillet and making sure that the skillet isn't too hot. You'll see I kind of had like a little, not mishap, but I should have let this cool for a little bit. Let it rest for like 10-15 minutes or so, because then when you do that and cut into it, it'll be a lot easier for you to kind of, you know, take it out of the pan. And I'm gonna be struggling here for a little bit, so just listen to what I say, y'all. Just let it rest for a little bit before you try to cut into it, because it's so moist on the inside that it's just falling apart because it's so hot right now. I literally just took it out the oven, y'all. But that is pretty much all I have for y'all today. Please let me know how you enjoy the recipe, y'all. Let me know how you enjoy this video. Of course, I have new videos dropping every single week. Right now, I'm dropping them on every Tuesday and every Thursday. Or every Tuesday and every Friday, I should say. But yeah, so that's all I have for y'all today, y'all. Definitely leave me a comment below. You can hit that like button if you enjoyed it. You can subscribe to the channel, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, y'all, that is all I have for y'all today, and I will see y'all on Friday for the next upload. I'll see y'all later.